Who's a very big girl? Yes. Who's a ballet bird? Who's a little yoga bird? Yes. We're getting a good look at your little bird butt. Yes. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Yes, you're very, very acrobatic. Okay. I'm taking a movie. Good girl. You are also perfect. Yes. Are you jealous? It's okay. Don't be jealous of my birdie. Don't be jealous of my birdie. Are you poofy? There we go. There you are. Hi. You're safe. Don't fly out. You're safe. Good girl. Good girl. Who's a good little girl? Did you just drive out of the driveway? Are you checking it out? Oh, are you hiding? I'm sorry. Are you hiding behind your marshmallows? Are you bold? Good girl. Good girl. Yes, and good girl. Yes, you're a good girl too. Who's a happy puppy? Elska, look at Mommy. Ellie, what are you doing? Good girl. Okay, Mommy's gonna stop now.